So I just tried. Guys, I'm gonna try. Dad, is there any games I could play? Like as device wise.
What?
Like any games I could play device wise.
No, because I didn't bring the switch. Are you recording?
YouTube.
I didn't bring the switch down, so.
Why?
Because. I didn't. Right. Right, let's go.
Well, I did warn you. Well, I didn't want to wrap that up for you, but well, it's
I
stop.
did that video and make a new one.
No, it's on YouTube.
Oh,
Make a YouTube video. Any in my videos? Not really. Only device wise. Don't worry, I found him. This one going. I'm getting tea. Yeah, just shaking from my throat. I'll show again. Not in there. As I'm always gonna make that as well. I borrowed a bit of wrapping paper for that.
Hey, Baba.
Hello.
Okay.
Turn you off. Yep. The Christmas tree! Oh, I bloody fell. Well, I'm trying to find something device wise, but this is my nana's house, by the way. Hold on. F it now. Yeah, I've got some. Oh crap! I've got something to do here, I guess. Oh no, stupid bike. Hold. Not that happening. That's when you're free. Pull myself. You do? I don't know. I want to make my paint, but I don't know where they are. Because these are all my just childhood drawings. Don't judge them, please. I used to be very good when I was little. I don't know what both of them used to wear. Better perfume. These are all my unis, by the way. Yeah. That's still the main thing. I've got this fidget that I actually like. Yeah, I got 10 points. Yeah, I got, yeah, 20 points. No? Yeah. I don't know how to do this thing, okay? Oh, guys, these are all my uni, but they all pop, sadly. What about this one? Bitch, correct. This uni. Hey, lowest draw. It's not my paint work, but yeah. It's all my glitter. Don't mind how I say it, please. Glitter. Dad! Can we make some slime like we did last time? Fuck everything I do. can we make slime again? Because you said that
You what?
that you promised we'd make it next time.
What?
My slime.
No, not
Yeah,
slime.
you promised you make it.
Yeah,
You promised
turn that off
you
now.
make it.
Stop showing off on
No,
on
I don't.
video.
Oh no.
Ruby, we're not making
Oh, what
slime now. Obviously, we haven't got the room.
Well, I can move all of it on the living room then. I
We're
know.
not making slime. Okay?
Yeah, we are.
Shut up and eat then.
How do you just shut up and nothing? Shut up. All I do is just make something at least. Don't have time to do it. Because you say, oh, do this all the time. Yeah, you do it next time.
What are you at, darling? I know.
Cherry flavoured. Dad.
What?
You promised you would tell me that we'll make slime next time and it's next time. So yeah.
I didn't say next time.
Yeah, you did. So stop lying.
I didn't say next time, Muppet.
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
You did. Stop lying.
Anyway,
Dad, can you move the stupid sign?
Ruby, why are you making that video? Come on.
I do.
Oi. I'm not making videos like that on my YouTube account. You haven't got a YouTube account.
Yeah, can I compose it? You know it.
It says G Whittle. That's G Whittle, not R Whittle. G Whittle.
Yeah, you can say your username, does it?
Yeah, it does.
There's no last name anyway.
There's no what?
And I'm in it Ruby's DIY channel, so huh?
No.
So it's now we're gonna be an hour now. Probably should make it.
Right, what do you want for the tea? Oh, it's still only 3:15. It's early for tea.
You said that you'd make it last time.
What? What?
Slime, yeah.
What
Or can
did
at
you,
least just paint or something.
what did you have last time? What did you have last time?
Fish fingers, then.
Who?
Fish fingers.
Oh no, oh, that was it. Last time it was Toad in the hole.
Oh yeah, told you no.
I don't think we've got any more though.
Oh, we're done now.
Well, I don't know if we
I actually hit my toenail on the dumb door. Do you not care about it?
Chicken goujons.
Yeah.
Chicken goujons are like chicken nuggets. You like chicken goujons? Don't ya? Oh, hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. I'm not sure if Nana's got any chips actually. Right, well, I'll ask Nana when she comes back if she's got some. Only because Nana's freezers are absolutely full.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, then well, why do you ask me to help you? And then come out this way. Yeah, and then put that back like that. Yeah.
No need full space, like I need it gone. Oh dear, I need it gone. Then 8, 9, 10 minutes. 7, 5 minutes. 10 minutes actually. No. This is on my coop. It's not. Oh, Dad. Daddy. Can we play chocolate egg maker? We haven't played this before, have we? I'm not gonna do it though, shit. Dad, can we play penguin trap? In the middle of the riddle. What?
I need your phone back a minute. I need to go on Amazon.
I'll do it for you. Guys, I have to go for part 2. Bye.